In 2025, DeFi is exploding, with forecasts pushing it toward a $231 billion valuation by 2030. In this video, we're unveiling the top 3 crypto gems with 10x potential for April 2025. Welcome to the Fortune Signal, your go-to for clear crypto insights that actually matter. Stay with us till the end. The last pick might just be the most explosive one yet. According to JP Morgan's Crypto Outlook, over $50 billion in institutional capital is flowing into blockchain. That's not hype. That's real-world value being built, and fast. Regulatory clarity is finally here, with frameworks like Europe's MiCA regulation boosting confidence and adoption across the board. While most eyes are still locked on the giants, Bitcoin, XRP, and Cardano, the real upside might lie where no one's looking. Later in this video, we'll reveal one of the most overlooked gems quietly powering global trust. Whether you're new to crypto or a seasoned pro, this journey is packed with insights you won't want to miss. Our first hidden gem is Chainlink, a powerhouse quietly bridging blockchain with the real world. It's a decentralized oracle network that connects smart contracts to off-chain data, like prices, weather, or stock feeds. Think of smart contracts like digital vending machines. They only work when fed accurate input. Chainlink makes that possible. From DeFi platforms like Aave to NFT hubs like OpenSea, automatic deals rely on real-world data, prices, weather, even sports scores. Chainlink's oracles deliver that data securely and reliably, making the decentralized web actually work. Chainlink's CCIP, that's cross-chain interoperability protocol, allows blockchains like Ethereum, Polkadot, and others to share data securely. This enables hybrid smart contracts, apps that react to both on-chain logic and off-chain events. Think of it as the tech behind Compound's loan rates, or insurance apps that pay out automatically when it rains. By March 2025, Chainlink processed $20 trillion in DeFi transactions, leading finance's future. On top of that, the developers drive innovation via hackathons. And if that wasn't enough, Chainlink's enterprise adoption is already making waves. In 2024, its partnership with Swift reportedly cut cross-border payment costs by 20%. That's real-world impact at global scale. And just to sweeten the deal, Chainlink staking offers up to 5% annual yields. So while the tech powers Web3, the token can quietly earn you passive income on the side. CCIP adoption fuels link demand, and with over 1,000 integrations in 2024 alone, analysts project a 20% token growth trajectory. Chainlink is actively reshaping global finance, so what's holding you back? Next up, a platform that's blazing trails in a whole new direction. If you're still watching, chances are you think differently. You go beyond the noise and dig deeper than the headlines. That's exactly who we make these videos for. We drop weekly crypto insights with real signal. No fluff, no hype. So if that sounds like you, tap like and hit subscribe. Let's stay ahead of the curve, together. Our second gem is Sui, a rising star in the Layer 1 blockchain space. Like Ethereum, a Layer 1 is the foundation, the core infrastructure where apps are built and scaled. Launched in 2023, Sui has already hit a $7 billion market cap, putting it in the same league as Hedera Hashgraph. Sui's edge lies in its Move programming language, built for security through formal verification, a major defense against hacks and exploits. And when it comes to speed, Sui delivers. Processing thousands of transactions per second like parallel checkout lanes. To sum it up, Sui brings serious firepower, lightning-fast transactions, robust security through formal verification, a fast-growing developer base, and a growing dApp ecosystem. And here's the kicker. Sui staking offers up to 6% annual rewards for long-term holders. It's still early, but the foundations are strong. Still with us? That puts you ahead of the crowd. Now it's time for the gem almost everyone's missing. VeChain blends blockchain with IoT to bring radical transparency to global supply chains, proving authenticity, reducing fraud, and unlocking real-world value. VeChain's momentum is on fire. PwC is pushing blockchain adoption, and in 2024, VeChain's pilot with Walmart China tracked over 10 million products, slashing fraud and saving millions in operational costs. That's real-world scale and real-world results. In 2024 alone, VeChain's value jumped 40%, according to CoinMarketCap. While competitors like IBM and Walton Chain lag behind, VeChain has tracked over 50 million real-world products, compared to Walton Chain's 100,000. And with Gartner predicting 1 in 5 supply chains will use blockchain by the end of this year, VeChain is way ahead of the curve. For serious investors, VeChain burn rate destroys 5% of gas fees, lowering supply and increasing scarcity, per VeChain's 2024 blog. VeChain's enterprises blaze trails. Analysts see growth. Comment your pick. Scroll down to see the community's buzz. Are you ahead? How's VeChain redefining trust? Keep listening. Chainlink, Sui, and VeChain shine with cutting-edge tech and real-world impact, unlike meme coins. We've dived into white papers, trends, and community buzz to pinpoint 3 game changers. Early adopters timing entries during low sentiment often see 5x returns. Why chase undervalued coins? They're seedlings poised to soar, offering huge returns with smart risk. These altcoins are asymmetric bets, low downside, high upside. Investing here is planting seeds for wealth. A good strategy might be to allocate 30% to altcoins. For serious investors, CoinGecko's 2024 data shows low market cap to utility ratios often predict upside, signaling overlooked potential in these projects. For crypto pros, a $10,000 stake in these coins could hit $100,000 by 2030 if 10x projections hold. Diversify wisely. Crypto's your shot at a decentralized future. By 2030, Chainlink could bankroll a trip, Sui a startup, VeChain a charity. Early adopters shape legacies. Picture a crypto portfolio. 50% Bitcoin, 30% altcoins, 20% stablecoins. What's your crypto dream? Comment below. Are you new to crypto? Start by signing up to Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken. Fund your account with $50. Buy Link, Sui, or VeChain. Average $10 weekly. Allocate 30% to altcoins. Follow the Fortune Signal channel for weekly update. And here's a tip for our crypto trader community. Combine RSI and Bollinger Bands for timing. When lower Bollinger Band breaks with RSI below 30, that's often prime time for entries. Still with us? You're ahead. This isn't financial advice. Crypto's risky, so always do your own research. At the Fortune Signal, we educate and inspire. New to crypto? It's like sailing. Tricky but thrilling. Check out our beginner-friendly tutorial on the screen. April is your window. Don't miss it. Chainlink, Sui, and VeChain are keys. Will you unlock financial freedom in 2025? Choose today. Watch our videos on crypto arbitrage or our tutorial on how to get started with only $10. Subscribe and hit the bell. Crypto's fast. Share with a friend. Here's a challenge. What's your 2030 crypto goal?